First of all, take a look at this bike. What's up, y'all? So I've been saving up my gift cards that I've received over the last 2 years. So because of those gift cards, I may be in the market for a new e-bike. So what I've been doing is reviewing e-bikes that I might purchase. So I figured, why not do a video showing the top 5 e-bikes that I might purchase next. Now keep in mind that all of these e-bikes on this list are going to be under $1,000. Watch till the end. At the end, comment below on which e-bike you would get. Based on your comment, that might be the bike that I review next. So without further ado, let's get to the list. Coming in at number 5, we have an Shear 26-inch folding electric mountain bike. Now I've seen this bike range from $600 to $769. I guess it's based on what platform you buy it from. Now one thing I like about Shear is features. And Shear has more features than a DJ Khaled song. Seriously. You get a horn, you get lights, you get suspension in the rear and the front. You get all kinds of things, but the one feature that an Shear won't give you is a comfortable seat. Doesn't make sense to me, but anyway. This bike has a 250 watt motor. Its top speed on electric only is 15 miles an hour. Battery life, electric only, is about 15 miles, with pedal assist about 30 miles. It has a 36V battery. It has dual disc brakes. This bike weighs about 50 pounds. And it says the max weight for riders is 330 pounds. This bike also has an anti-out chain wheel. I believe this is to prevent your chain from falling off while you're riding. This is a great feature for this bike because the Shear that I own now, that's the one issue that I have with it constantly, is the chain falling off. This bike has a twist throttle, kind of like a motorcycle. Also has multiple pedal assist modes. Now one thing I have heard about this bike is that the instructions that you get when you buy your bike is trash. Bruh. Now coming in at number 4, we have YARA XC100 electric mountain bike. Now this bike is about $799. What I really like about this bike is you get a little bit more speed and power than the Shear, but it's still a really cool looking bike. You know, it looks more like a racer than a cruiser, which is kind of cool at times. This bike has a 350 watt motor. It has a max speed of 20 miles an hour on electric only, and it has a battery life of 25 to 50 miles electric only. What? This bike has a 48 volt battery. It has front and rear disc brakes. It does have suspension in the front, but not in the rear. This bike weighs about 47 pounds. The max weight of the rider is 200. It has a really cool LCD display which allows password protection. Now one thing I don't like about this bike is it has a thumb throttle instead of a twist throttle like the Shear bike. Coming in at number 3, we have the Lectric XP Fat Tire folding electric bike. This bike is currently $899. What I like about this bike is it's a combination of power, comfort, and speed. It has a 500 watt motor, has a max speed of 20 miles per hour electric only, has a battery life of about 25 miles, has a 48 volt battery. It has a really comfortable looking seat. You also have front and rear lights. And with these fat tires, I mean, I know some bikes say they are all-terrain. These really are all-terrain bikes. This bike weighs 63 pounds, and it looks like the max weight of the rider can be 275 pounds. The one thing I don't like about this bike is the price. It is the most expensive bike on my list, and it doesn't have some features that I would like if I'm paid that much money, like front and rear suspension, for example. This bike has a twist throttle, and it has electric mode, pedal assist mode, and pedal only mode. Coming in at number 2, we have the Swagtron EB8 Outlaw Fat Tire, which is a folding bike. First of all, take a look at this bike. Now tell me this bike doesn't look like the adult version of the bike you played with as a child. Man, this is a good looking bike. In my opinion, this is the best looking bike on this list. It looks like this bike was built more for fun and sport than for comfortable commutes. So this bike is currently $799. It has a 350 watt motor. The max speed electric only is about 18 miles an hour. The battery life electric only is 21 miles. It has a 36 volt battery. It has a full suspension system. And again, it's a fat tire, so I'm sure it can conquer all terrains. The bike weighs about 56 pounds and max weight for the riders is 264 pounds. This bike has a twist throttle and it has electric only, pedal assist, and only pedal modes. And this bike comes fully assembled. The only thing I don't like about this bike is uncomfortable seats. It is built more for a good time than comfort. Sometimes I want the sports and athletic portion of biking, but sometimes I just want to relax and chill and just ride throughout the neighborhood.
Oh my God.
Coming in at number 1 is an Ecotric 20-inch fat tire electric beach bike. Now this bike is a combination of a great price, a really comfortable ride with speed. Now this bike does fold, and it does look like an e-bike, to be honest with you. Now I've seen this bike on eBay for $799. It has a 500 watt motor. The max speed is 20 miles an hour. The battery life is about 23 miles, electric only. It has a 36 volt battery. It has disc brakes and it has a comfortable seat. The bike weight is 52 pounds. The max weight of the rider is 265 pounds. It also has a twist throttle, gives you the ability to ride electric only, pedal assist, or pedal only. One thing I like about this bike is that the battery is easy to get to. I know right now riding my Shear, let's say if I'm riding and I want to stop at the store, it's a hassle to get the battery out. You have to unfold the bike, pull the battery out. So I like these bikes that have it where you simply just grab the battery from the back. So those are my top 5 e-bikes under $1,000. Comment below on which e-bike you think I should get based on all of your comments. That might be the next e-bike that I review, that I purchase. So thanks again for watching. Comment below. Peace.